Are you struggling to efficiently manage recurring payments for your WhatsJet services? Manually handling subscriptions can be time-consuming, complex, and lead to lost revenue opportunities. Imagine a seamless, automated solution that simplifies your subscription management entirely. Introducing the WhatsJet Razorpay subscription payment add-on, the perfect integration for your WhatsJet platform. This powerful add-on empowers you to effortlessly set up, manage, and automate subscription plans using Razorpay. Easily create diverse subscription tiers like Bronze, Silver, and Gold, each with unique features. Offer flexible payment durations, including daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly options to cater to all your customers. Leverage Razorpay's robust and secure payment gateway, ensuring trusted transactions for every subscriber. The add-on handles automated billing cycles, account upgrades, and downgrades, syncing perfectly with subscription statuses. Attract new users with integrated trial periods, giving them a taste of your premium WhatsJet services. Manage all your plans, payments, and subscriber data directly from an intuitive dashboard within WhatsJet. This one-time setup transforms your WhatsJet offering into a powerful, revenue-generating subscription model. Stop manual payment headaches and unlock the full monetization potential of your WhatsJet services today. Elevate your business with the WhatsJet Razorpay subscription payment add-on. Click the link in the description below to get started and revolutionize your recurring revenue.